and welcome back to today's mega tutorial. We will be doing this look. I used some Lemonhead LA glitters. I used the color in Malibu and Houdini, one of my favorites, to create this graphic liner look. Sorry for the noise in the background, there is construction across the road, so today's video would be a voiceover. But if you would like to see how I did this look and how I worked with some glitter pastes, you can just keep on watching. So first step is sharpening this nude pencil from NYX. This is going to help me map out where I want my glitter to go. And these are my glitters from Lemonhead. So I'm going to start mapping out where I want my glitter to go. This is going to help so that there's no color showing through the glitter. Even though the glitter is very opaque, I don't want other color lines to be underneath or showing around it. So I'm just using this nude pencil to do that with. Take some concentration, and the nice thing about this pencil is if you make a mistake, you can just use your finger to smudge it out again. It's also a nice pencil to carve out the brow with. Or just do some spot concealing. Should have done that. Not gonna lie, getting the shape was really difficult. Then I moved on to Malibu. I used my MAC 210 brush originally. I thought it would be nice to use a small end, but I kind of ran out of patience. So I moved over to a lip brush. It works a lot better if you can actually pack on the product. So Lemonhead's glitters are a paste. It's in like a gel formula, and then it then dries. So it worked a lot better to use a flat lip brush and to just pack it on. The nice thing about this is as soon as the glitter starts drying, you can use something to clean it up with, which I will show you a bit later. So I made sure to pack enough on the eyelid itself. The product is really soft on the skin, so you don't have to worry about it going everywhere as well. And once it dries, it's going to stay there until you rinse it with water. So my biggest challenge was just to get the two sides even, because my eyebrows aren't even, my eyes aren't even, the one's bigger than the other one. Oh well, so you can use a spoolie, and by just gliding the spoolie against the glitter, it's going to pick up unwanted glitter. So this is going to help you to get really nice and sharp edges or lines. I think this glitter is like one of the best inventions ever, because it's going to allow you to be so creative with the things that you can do. I just use it to clean up and make the graphic liner sharper in some areas, and then also to taper down the edge so that I don't have a thick line where it's starting to end. A spoolie is also a good idea to help clean up glitter. You can also use sellotape or some kind of sticky tape to pick up unwanted glitter. The thing that just worked best for me is a spoolie. I can get a really nice liner shape. Definitely should be doing this more. Then using my favorite color in Houdini. This color is amazing. It shifts. So you see it and then you don't, and then you see it and then you don't. Oh, it's the best thing ever. So I just applied that in the inner corners because I didn't want to leave that whole eye space bare. So this is just going to give you a nice shift of color every now and then. Girl, you're concentrating. Guys, voiceovers are the worst. Especially if you don't want to fast forward. Yeah, I thought this looked really pretty. I'm just topping off the lashes with a layer of waterproof mascara. This one is from MAC Cosmetics. It's currently my favorite because it has a nice and small brush. This is also the lip liner from MAC in the color Spice. It's got a bit more of an orange undertone instead of like a mauvey pink purple. I am overlining my lips, making it slightly more round, and then you can see the top lip I overlined outwards. And then I will be overlining the bottom lip inwards, so it's going to look like my top lip is hanging over my bottom lip just slightly. And you can change the shape of your lips quite dramatically by just using a lip liner. And using my gloss from MAC, this one's just a bit more pink, just to top off that orange so that the two kind of blends together nicely. Oh, I love me a nice gloss, and I feel like it picks up on the eyes as well. Just adding some outer corner lashes to make the lashes look longer. I felt like the glitter was quite dramatic, so I needed a lash to kind of step up instead of just being my natural short lashes. I'm sticking them on with duo glue. And then just using the spoolie to pick up some leftover glitter. Then using my Elegance Cosmetics blush. I did apply quite a lot of blush because I just wanted the face to be rosy. The makeup on the eye is pretty bold, so I kind of needed to round off the face. Applying a lot of blush on the apples of the cheeks, blushing it backwards, not blushing, brushing it backwards. Then I also went over my chin, my forehead, and my nose. I focused quite a lot of the product on my nose because I felt like I wanted that nice sun-kissed look, and I've been seeing a lot of people do it. Then going in with my highlighter from Afra Cosmetics. I really love this highlighter. It just makes you glow in all the best places. So I just focus the glow on the nose, on the cheekbones, not going up too high next to the eye, just focusing it on. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate you. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, found it helpful, or just love glitter, and please remember to subscribe as well. I will see you on the next video. If there is any makeup looks that you would like to see, please DM me. I would love to do them for you. Then I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.